There are a few things that this is a great fit, and I know Linda Yaccarino well. I've spent a lot of time with her. She's the perfect candidate for the job because she's an ad exec. She can talk the language of ROI and brand safety with other advertisers, and it stops all this silly talk about Elon's going to bring a technician in to run Twitter. You need an ad exec to bring the advertisers back. That's good for Tesla because people worry that Elon's going to have to put more money into Twitter.
Stop saying the analysts are looking short-term. That's just not a true statement. You guys keep saying it in a very demeaning way. Let's look out 5, 6, 7 years, said Gary Black. Why are you upset then? Upset about the price cuts? If you look at 5 to 7 years, you shouldn't be worried about next month or next week's price cuts, retorted Alexandra Merz. These two, both avid supporters of Elon Musk and Tesla, recently engaged in a heated debate. The Future Fund managing partner has always been known as a strong supporter of Tesla and Musk, although that didn't stop him from criticizing Musk whenever the businessman makes a not-so-wise business decision, at least for some. Alexandra Merz, on the other hand, refers to herself as a fangirl of Elon, which is according to her Twitter bio. Twitter, which Musk also owns, recently rebranded to X, by the way. Going back, Alexandra is yet another Tesla enthusiast and avid Elon Musk supporter. In fact, her Twitter handle name reads @TeslaBoomerMama. Although the two engaged in what can be considered a heated argument, Alexandra recently retweeted Black's tweet. She captioned the retweet, "Great CNBC interview of Gary Black on the Cybertruck market." This goes to show that although they butt heads on some issues, which is fairly normal, there's no bad blood between the two. Anyway, in the said CNBC interview, Gary Black said, "It's going to be a home run for Tesla and it's going to really catapult the stock," referring to the much-awaited Tesla Cybertruck. He added, "It's not going to cannibalize any of the base products because Tesla has never been in the pickup truck business." In fact, even early this year, Black claimed that Tesla's most important catalyst is the Cybertruck. In a Yahoo Finance interview, Black said, "The most important catalyst is Cybertruck. We've been waiting for 4 years. There's 1.3 million pre-orders. That's a huge catalyst if they can get that out by the end of the year and then early next year." Well, the Cybertruck pickup is arguably the most anticipated Tesla product of all time, following its reveal back in 2019. Since then, however, the Ford F-150 Lightning EV pickup has been released, along with Rivian's R1T, while GM will release its Chevrolet Silverado EV later this year, and in 2024, Ram's 1500 EV pickup will join the competition. While the EV pickup battlefield will be fierce, none of the competitors has anything that resembles the Cybertruck in terms of looks, nor can they match Tesla's EV production prowess at this time. Black, in fact, is putting his money where his mouth is, with his own Cybertruck on pre-order. "I can't wait to drive it up to Nobu in Chicago and leave it there and have all the kids take pictures of it," he said. "It's so radical looking that you either love it or you hate it, and I think it's beautiful. I think it's going to be a huge seller." It is no secret that although he's known to share his concerns about Tesla stock at times, he remains optimistic that in the long run, Tesla will soar more than it already had. As he argued with Alexandra, investors who are looking to invest in Tesla for a short time will really not reap many benefits, as Tesla stock is meant to be a long-term investment. In light of this, the Future Fund managing partner recently shared his Tesla stock price predictions. "I think in 2025 it will be $500 to $600, Ron Barron of Barron Capital said last year, which he reiterated a few weeks back. In addition to that, Barron sees the stock gaining 89% in 2 years. It is worth noting that so far this year, Tesla has already gained nearly 140%, so it doesn't come as a surprise that Ron Barron is more bullish than ever. As earlier mentioned, he sees the stock as incredibly attractive for the long-term investor. It is for this reason that the billionaire investor recently reiterated his super bullish view on the EV giant and said he expects it to be exchanging hands at $500 a share in 2025, nearly double today's price. For context, Tesla stock is currently sitting at $264.35. On a recent CNBC Squawk Box episode, the founder of Barron Capital noted that electric vehicles make up only 6% of automobiles at present. He said, "There is a really big opportunity for growth." It is almost the same thing he said last November despite a brutal year for the US stock market. "In 10 years, Tesla will be the largest and most profitable company in the world," Barron told Forbes at the time. Barron further shared how he thinks Tesla stock could hit $1,500 by 2030. In a Squawk Box episode early this year, Barron said he wasn't concerned about volatility in the market, especially with current levels of consumer demand for Tesla's vehicles. Barron considers Tesla's current demand to be at historically high levels, and he expects the company's stock price to keep going up in the years to come. Demand picks up so much, it's unprecedented demand for his cars right now, Barron said. We started investing in this company in 2014 and they were doing 31,000 cars a year. He thinks 20 million cars by 2030. I'm thinking $1,500 a share by 2030. Barron's mutual fund has remained one of the greatest benefactors of Tesla's exponential growth in the past several years. With a total of $5.7 billion in managed assets, the Barron Partners Fund, BPTIX, has seen a 5-year return of about 26.5% on Tesla stock on an annualized basis and a 10-year return of 20.9%. According to Morningstar, these figures make the fund the best-performing U.S. equity fund over the long-term period. I'm not really worried about the stock market, Barron added. I don't worry about the market, I don't worry about the economy. As for his confidence in Tesla, Barron noted that Tesla has been called the safest car ever built in the world, and he expects the automaker to put out a lower-cost model which he says will make the company worth 7 to 10 times more down the road. Now, you may be wondering if you should buy Tesla shares. Well, if you're looking for a long-term investment, which Barron believes a Tesla investment is, you probably should. To help you decide, here are some reasons to buy Tesla stock now. One of the main reasons to consider investing in Tesla in 2023 is its strong financial performance in recent years. Tesla has consistently exceeded expectations when it comes to revenue growth and profitability. That said, Tesla's financial performance is even more impressive when compared to traditional car manufacturers. The company's market capitalization is now larger than that of the 9 largest global automakers combined, despite selling a fraction of the number of cars. These financial successes can be attributed in large part to the rapid growth of the EV market and Tesla's strong position within it. With the demand for electric vehicles continuing to increase and the company's ability to scale its production, there is potential for even more growth in the future. Furthermore, Tesla's energy generation and storage segment has also been a significant contributor to its financial performance. The company's solar and battery storage products have been well received by customers, and analysts see a lot of potential for growth in this segment. Another reason to consider investing in Tesla in 2023 is the company's commitment to innovation and technological advancements. Tesla has been at the forefront of the electric vehicle market, developing and implementing cutting-edge technologies in its vehicles. One of Tesla's most notable innovations is its electric powertrain, which has been widely praised for its efficiency and performance. The company's vehicles have a range of over 300 miles on a single charge, making them some of the most practical EVs on the market. In addition to its electric powertrain, Tesla is also a leader in the development of autonomous driving technology. The company's autopilot feature, which allows for semi-autonomous driving, has been praised for its safety and ease of use. What's more, Tesla is also working on fully autonomous driving technology, which is expected to be available in the near future. Tesla's innovations and technological advancements not only set it apart from traditional car manufacturers, but also from other companies in the EV market. Overall, the company's strong commitment to developing and implementing new technologies makes it an attractive investment option for those looking to invest in a company at the forefront of the industry. Tesla's advancements in electric vehicles and autonomous driving technology align with the trend of the industry towards more automation, positioning it well to capitalize on this trend. That's not all. Investing in Tesla is also an opportunity to support a company that is committed to sustainability and reducing its environmental impact. Electric vehicles produce significantly fewer emissions than gasoline-powered cars, and by investing in Tesla, you are supporting the growth of this cleaner form of transportation. Subscribe for more.